Here's today's crazy fact about sea animal. Let's go. The octopus has 3 hertz. One is the role of sending blood and oxygen to the whole body just like the human heart. The other 2 are called the gill heart, which plays a role in sending blood to the gills and oxygen to the muscles. The reason why there are 3 hearts is that octopus is made of muscles, so when attacked by a natural enemy, it has to send a large amount of oxygen to the muscles in order to move at high speed instantly. Actually, squid is the same. 99.99% of manbo cannot become adult. Female sunfish can lay more than 300 million eggs at a time. However, because sunfish are slow swimmers and have no defenses, most are eaten by other fish, making survival difficult. Even as adults, they are very susceptible to water quality changes and parasites and can have health problems such as indigestion. Sea angel's head cracks open when she eats. The reason is that they actually extend 6 tentacles, baculicorns, from their heads. This bacal cone is normally stored in the head, and when the animal catches prey, the head breaks open and the bacal cone comes out. In addition, the inner hook-like part sucks nutrients from its body. Jellyfish have the same mouth and ons. The jellyfish's body is very simple, because it has so many different parts all in one place. Jellyfish are able to digest and excrete in one place. The jellyfish body is basically one big space that takes in food and digests it, and takes out what it doesn't need inside the bod. For example, jellyfish can take in food with their mouth, digest that food, and then excrete the digested food from the same place. This is an efficient way to live for an animal that doesn't have a body as complex as a jellyfish's. Dolphins have names. Dolphins are known to have their own unique individual sounds, which they use to communicate with each other. Studies have shown that dolphins use these sounds as names, and may mimic them, especially between parents, children and close companions. This confirms the use of its unique sound in recalling a distant mate. Otters sleep hand in hand with their mates. Wild sea otters sometimes wrap seaweed or kelp around their bodies to keep them from being swept away by the tide when sleeping at sea. Because of the lack of tidal currents in the aquarium, sea otters sometimes sleep hand in hand with their mates as a remnant of this habit. May be done as a social behavior to strengthen bonds with mates, and is often seen between individuals in parent-child or protective relationships. This behavior has also been interpreted as a sign of security and bonding between otters. Also, otters' palms are not hairy, so they get cold easily, and they sometimes put their hands on their faces to warm them, but this is not directly related to the reason for holding hands. Seahorses are impregnated by male. Usually, the male and female mate and the female lays eggs. The female seahorse passes her eggs to the male in a parental pouch on his body, and the male nurtures and protects the eggs in the pouch. The eggs grow inside the pouch, ready for the baby seahorses to be born, and when the babies are grown, the male opens the pouch and the baby seahorses swim out. So the male seahorse appears to be pregnant, but in reality, the male's body is responsible for nurturing the eggs. Beluga whales are mammals, but they molt. Beluga whales are indeed mammals, with soft skin, but they don't have hair like other mammals. But beluga whales do molt. Molting is what they do to make new skin when their skin gets old or damaged. Molting occurs mainly in shallow water during the summer, when the skin is removed by rubbing the body against the seafloor or sandy beach. Beluga whale body surface is usually white, but before molting, the skin turns yellow. After shedding, smooth white skin is restored. This process is an important physiological phenomenon to repair damaged skin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.